Mamema o akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. His Excellency the former president N.Addo Akufo-Addo, I think this is the time say jubilate. I think this is the time I say atem didi na de Ghana fo ateti na dwojo Ghana fo de wo fam yina no. This is the time say wotena fie now relax now we share movie no we share sine na ekoso no because Ghana for the what year no nana gaga abiso boy say enya de wo ye bemma e no mo say bemma on sinsu mansa no wahama nana kame me catch us and ka resign as a president because the Ghana for the year no Ghana for di wo bone na ende Ghana for bi no mo kase no mo ekre say de omo de year wo no nana omo ahwe hu say Ghana for John Dramani Mahama emu asofo emu ahemfofo we pa chow nti say John Dram and N.Addo Akufo-Addo henceforth expect ye wo ufie honom odo na ya be to because Ghana food na yes saline na ya ba ho be pa wo chow because the year wo no na won deserve it. You didn't deserve that. In fact, a whole lot of Ghanaians have realized their mistakes on person be pa wo chow yenti ese na nsemi esi ekoy
Sam George. He's been a disappointment. For Katia say in 3 months, Ura Mahama and Sainia about attacking the president, John Dramani Mahama. Or not resign, what was he saying? And suddenly, Sam George Bekache say on his Facebook wall, said you all know any yana politics or the petuni. It's more Mukan and Addo assembly Manusi and Addo sono. Have you been fair to N.Addo? Ya suffer for your imam for your himful. I'm paying for you now, the Alutumu. Yen sign no. Were we fair to N.Addo? If we are not fair to N.Addo, it's good to say you better render an apology to N.Addo. That's a better aswa. You're making sure that John Dramani Mahama will take Ghanaians serious by passing that bill now or catch us up. Luckily for him, we said minority members no be started a private members bill. We are counting on him and in the NDC. So I don't know any priority. He's there to serve Ghanaians. Say that now, I won't find say Ghana for priority, no. And say, on share, no what is right and needful. The better one.
And hospitals, schools, acquiring, everything was done by MPP government. But still, they vote against MPP. So you want me to come and tell you, say, we are Jimmy for. Wow, MP say we are Jimmy for, we are Krasini, we are Jimmy for, we are Bopi. Next 4 years, Sanko di lie. Na Sanko to Mama Sam George in him. If you say what you tell from Mutin no hon na adwe dem trimu na abaye otai and na motai nipanti. Mama kwasi ampani we ya ase wo ma ya tai. Abedi manim se o meye MP aboy ohu na ase wo mafunu ase fufufunu ade te so ukoma bi gambe ya be kasem nkrofo bi akura ase fufu a yatai ade ate so a ehuhu hwe se nipa wi etim begina bonten ekasa te nipa anyhow no watena prampram atimi ahwe kwasempani we nim se mikodi lai adan ya nipa na one ne ejina no ejina for MPP di munti se oyew se wonyew because of se nipa no onimo we akoye man ya last me interview ro ha ojina wo MPP di mu onimo prampram was very intelligent guy. Very, very intelligent guy. But when he dia, it's a guy no could NDC demo from Toman. Almost said they didn't know MPP demo. They vote against him. What could the MPP demo? But and now look I say hospitals near Quino. Na no man panic for and I didn't know go from NDC near you, but Adentia. Ninkola Bremuno. When you never me be papa be Jimmy. I can tell you say and the MPP for your account for party. Enti men ko don ne party no ana edi ntrimu a enti sa akan asem no ana edi ntrimu dem enti ohu akani bia se ne tamfo enti onimpa se ono ani nua na ogina MP no a ogina for MPP di mu no oye ni nua o a wonim one ne kakasa baako a esan se ni para ko gina MPP di mu tru hu se party MPP no e ya kanfo dia but doctor onu wa me a edi be party no ya kan ni mo nwini se ni party ni na next time o ko toba na se MPP mpo na wonto mana enipa foforo promise na wo kono enipa foforo timi kokudna bia wo ye NDC di mu se majiminti Monto ma say ni pa fo na o so ba na o ye NDC ni no so we dey mo fe se mo de mo be ko so tam Jimmy ni mu a na mo se mo nsesa na mbedi NDC na chi a enye problem monko so ba monto oba ni ntia Sam George mfa mo be ufro o ye NDC ni eni mo mbeto asomu a ono medi matem esese mo ko so ma sa abo yi a ase wo mafu ase afanze abe furu no abe oju abe na abe bere pa na bo ho sa na ju a o se ye ni furu tie no Sam George abara bo nnaro no na mo sori ya masa atra ho na kwase we ya kwatra Twitter no o se di ni mo pampam fu na atam because wo na asa ko to ban man so ma ye MP se nya wo a ko nte parliament o se nya wo a ko nya minister on wo Jimmy kwase mpani wo Jimmy mo wi a mo be sabe ma cheke chese mo nyi nsuo no na ya na mo be tra bon te se mo nyi nsuo no ya mo se mo se mo ni no na ye me na me ye bo ho ma wo ni mo pampam ho ya mo se ye ne me ye bo ho ma wo siafo a mo de se mo tiri mo se mo de mo nchenji madwene da mu bi no enyensafo na ewo mu no ana wo mu do mu hu se da bi ye pe NDC obakwatia hwekwa mfa to oba ukwa shante region no ma hwekwa mfa to oba ye tumi to oba ema presidential no ma wi ni ato skirt and blouse ema wi because who say nipa we Jimmy omo nim se ye omo mfa wo so mpa MPP na nipa na wo gina no MPP di no wo gina but the o be gina wo NDC di mu no omo nim so obetima adwuma ma they vote presidential for MPP and vote MP no eti obetima to presidential na ma NDC na wo de muslim de mada na muwa wo NDC na mbu ayo no mo betima to ma but MP no you can vote against MP but presidential no obetima to about the ma president na also pen no ah wo ye NDC ni no na parliament no what to about the me say wo Sam George de sa this year de no ni mo program ho Allah wallahi ye ne mo say utimi beja mo de say we can say enkwasasem we twa say throw in na for your party be we power there we are here we are fully prepared you Sam George yeah wo obebo unsem pa maye obebo unsem nyame ya dum obo mo ntele kasa asem we ama ye hu se de we ye nda no ene NDC ni bia be kasem bia kire MPP abe twanto MPP so a Ghana ni bia wo dwene se nipa dwene ebe bi hu mi ne hu se mo ye ntorofo because asema mbae 1 year ni o ensema mo kafa MPP hu nyina no enye no kure there is no single evidence matimia ensema mo kai matimia prove Ghana for not one single evidence everything that you said no mutimi prove one single evidence one Minya Arin, God bless you. Minya Barbara, God bless you so much. Kiss Smooth, thank you, God bless you. Enti, yanko, niyan for your next video. Namon traho, no ken kwasi asem se nkyeremwa. Namon traho de bia. Na yen mi ametie die. Menemu mienu die. Ye be koso se ya mo sa ni ngofo de menemu. Ye be chia yam se ya. Ye be kyerem se yes. Mo tena e hono ma. Mo ye funtaban. Mo sesa musuban. Nyesa na eto aba
Minuanom waayefo a mo send me messages bebre no ni nyina mahu na mahye danso na men responding to emu bia me wo waayes ahodo bebre a wo mo send me messages say Oscar in fact ya adwuma bosimi nsia ne ye ntua ye ka ye sori anopa dware kwa adwuma sede every year Ghanaian ni bia sori anopa dware kwa adwuma no saa na ye nso waaye employees ye sori anopa dware kwa adwuma to spray gu ye ho eni ade afaka kwa adwuma enso bosumi nsia ni ye ntua ye ka Oscar obi kura ka kire me say one of the DMs ni mo say bosumi nsia ni sika ye frɛ no 300 Ghana cedis wonya bi mfanto ne ho 3 million o se bosumi nsia ni Oscar minya 3 million mfanto me ho e mo den ma me na mo platform mon kasa bi maye mashada na menka hey because some crofo we nyina ye crofo a wo mo so wo platform but they decide not to speak about what is working against them as to say wo mo ye NDC frontier wo mo ye grassroots of NDC say denti wo mo mpese ono no mpese de obeba beka ama nanim aba chese me de me ye otwe me na me meka me yes single video when him attempt the eba meso when him threat how do eba meso me yes single video somebody me DM chrewa you'll be scared for me. So me a single video criticizing the government, criticizing a minister, criticizing a government appointee over an issue when him threat how do eba meso when him attempt the how do eba meso me ne mabusu so but I don't speak. Because I know that what I am doing it for the good will of this country. Yes, so comfortable is Kurubeba what Timubi. It is a Miyama no sa me menka me Timubi. That is why I will continue to speak, no matter how intimidating it will get. Why you for? Yebra Malek Basentali. Yeni Komakaka. One crop was able to mean see and it won't try a in fact, me name no crave womo nemum. Me try some me verify information no sabo to mean see any yentria ye work eseka. Na sa sanatia Yebra Malek Basentali ye boss. Mesrao ye bibi fa ho. Sa Ghana ni be ye adwuma bosu mean see any yentria ne ka. Malek Basentali me nyin ni say wo say position a what in the bosu mean see any yentria wo kan ka wo da so te ho. I don't believe so. On tiase ma ne sa enti die enti na wo hwe say wo employees no busumi nsiani they have not been paid a penny yentria wo moka Malek Basentali wo position yenim ndema hodo a wo ye yo yenim say wo campaign fa yo yenim kwan a wo fa so a wo keka anema bi fa the previous government hu yesrew ye bibi fa ho na won krofo ne se komo de wo mo se wo mo bre wo mo wu obi se otimi nante several miles and san wo dru baby also wo kwa adwuma na so edua ne ka adwuma ne so jai tena fie yeyi also suro so obe jai na de wo ye atwam a yentua ne ka nyina no sika be hye yentua ne ka mesrawo why ye nkrofo no wo musu ira wo musu papa mesrawo a Malek Basentali mesrawo so wo musu monhwe na munye bibi mfa ho the first gentleman of the land, Yura John Dramani Mahama, womani bi na esu no YEFo wo mo se yentria wo moka mesrawo youth employment agency there ense se yedu mo fa tete ni ama ne hunu we mu cause ho na mabu no ni da so nyina wo se wo menya adwuma ya e wo de firi na se adwuma no so beba na se akatua made a na ni adabraka wo yesremo munye bibi mfa ho omanfo ni esu omanfo no wo mu su mesremo ada munye bibi emfa ho na YES employees among so yentua mokan be bold enough come out and talk about it obi antimi nsu usu ma wo obi antimi nsu usu emma I'm telling you